Hey guys, it's Chris here. So another new video for you on the installation and the sound of my new Akrapovic M1 slip-on muffler for my 2016 Yamaha R3. There are a couple of reasons why I wanted to put a new muffler on my R3. First one being I want it to be a little bit louder just so other motorists can be more aware of me on the roads when I'm around them, and the other reason, obviously, to make it sound a little bit better. Here's a couple of things you'll need for the install, obviously other than the exhaust itself. You need a socket set, some ring spanners, some Allen keys, and some Akrapovic anti-seize copper paste, which comes with the exhaust, so don't worry. So there's only really two main bolts to get undone, one where the exhaust hangs from the passenger's foot peg, and the other one where the clamp is, where the exhaust attaches onto the exhaust system. So with a ring spanner and your socket, get into that bolt, get it undone, and obviously, like, once you get it loose enough, you can have a crack at it with your fingers. Get in there, real deep like. Get that bolt out. Yeah, but in all seriousness, like, don't lose that bolt and washer and nut. You'll need that to put the new exhaust back on. Keep hold of that, yeah? To get access to this clamp, it's a bit of a pain. So before you undo that one, you want to take off this guard with your Allen key. So there's three little screws there that take an Allen key. Get them off, get that guard off, and you'll realise also at the same time that your bike's really dirty and needs a wash. And then get under there, get that clamp undone. Now, all that's left to do is to get your hands around that stock exhaust, give it a little wiggle and a little tuggy tug, and it should just come straight off. Now I've put my exhaust just in the box that my Akrapovic exhaust came in, just to hold on to it, just in case. Now you'll see I'm putting the graphite gasket inside the muffler here, and you'll see it sits flush, so just push it all the way in, it won't fall into your muffler. I've also put a thin layer of that Akrapovic copper paste that came with the exhaust on the inside of that clamp before putting the clamp on the muffler. Being careful not to scratch up your new muffler. Slip it on, give it a little wiggle and a pushy push. Get it up there. Then we'll put the bolt there where the passenger peg is, where that hanger is, and do up our clamp. And all that's left to be done is put this guard back on with your Allen keys. Easy peasy. If you can change a tyre on a bike, you can change this muffler. Easy. Now I've got some comparison clips of the stock muffler and the new muffler. Have a listen. Now all there's left to do is wash that dirty bike. Oh yeah. Hope you found the video educational and helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.